First, admissions toured through our 1,000 acres of farms and forests, past the waters of our aquaculture center, and then we took a shuttle to the Norwich campus.
Brian, what in the...
SUNY Morrisville Office of Admissions, this is Brian. How may I help you?
Hey guys, how are ya? Eggnog or hot chocolate?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Okay, would you rather eat cookies or a candy cane?
Cookies.
Snow or the sun? He said the sun.
What's my favorite holiday beverage? Oh, well, that would have to be warm seltzer milk. It's a long-standing family tradition. The way you make it is you first heat up the milk, you get the seltzer ready. Oh, wait, what is that? What's going on out there? What is this? You won't believe this. Mustang is on the loose again. It's the third time this week.
Would you rather go sledding or build a snowman?
Build a snowman.
What's your favorite holiday song?
Blue Christmas.
Can you sing part of it for me?
Oh no.
Why not?
No, because people would run.
Come on.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Go ahead, jingle bell. Come on.
No, I'm not singing it. I don't know.
Can you sing some for me?
Let me sing. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rocks. Jingle bell swinging, jingle belling.
Oh, get it, girl!
We know the holidays can be filled with unexpected surprises. It's no different here at SUNY Morrisville. Scary Mary.
What's the best gift you've ever gotten?
Best gift?
Yes.
My phone. Yeah.
That's valid. All right. What's your favorite holiday tradition?
Dinner with my family.
All right. Thank you.
No matter what traditions you celebrate, we hope you can take some time to enjoy the holiday season with your friends and family.
From all of us at SUNY Morrisville to all of you, we wish you a warm and wonderful holiday season. Oh, I don't know, did I cut the other one? Say it again, because I got the other one in my head now.
My head's little to begin with, but let's see.
Maybe show my hat looks okay. This is very important.
Okay, Jingle Bells and Jingle Bell Rock are two different songs.